You see, same finger when me use and count the money. 10:30 Friday morning. And pay you. When the water finish. And we couldn't do no more work. Pay you for the whole day. And the same finger there. Me I go use and ignore no call. When you not call me ask me for work. So if you don't see the video, I don't know, so you don't know if you call me ask me for no more work. Because I write this out there. Because imagine, me I pay a laborer $6,000 a day. And I carry them at work. See? I burn gas, I pay a toll, and I not draw nothing for transport. My car I go through wear and tear. Spring them and stretch out. Because I carry people in there. I didn't buy my car if a man go to work. Because man supposed to find himself at work. Any work you do, you're supposed to find yourself at work. And when you get paid, you're supposed to put down your money if you carry back at work the other week. And I pay a man $6,000 a day. And this morning now, when me ready for go to work, remember you know, we don't get paid on Friday. And if you don't have an issue, well, I don't have my number. You could have called me Saturday, you could have called me Sunday. But when me call you now, I make arrangements to pick up Monday morning. You go tell me, say, boy, we are watching, we are going sitting on the $6,000, can't work out. Remember, you know, we camp on site. We carry them at work. Carry them back. Me not charge them nothing. And the man tell me, say, $6,000. Not enough. And the scope of work, now did they figure them more? Because I one little car porch and one staircase where we are trying to take out a ground for meet the ground floor. We are take out the basement for meet the ground floor where I just saw the work I got there. And even if me say alright, because you have all two tradesmen when I have there. See? We are say the same thing. Because I pay them 12 grand a day based upon how it works state. Because if me pay them by the ton for install the steel. See? Because I pay 20 grand a ton for install. And 1 ton of steel now did it for install. Because whole a cage and a mat and a wall bar then did it. For when we go up by next level. For put in there. So if me say, alright. Since what them say they want job work. And if me pay them in a job, it still only work out to 12 grand a day. Yo, we have to laugh. Because I know 1 ton of steel not install. And a 4 of them did it. 2 tradesmen, 2 laborer. See? And when you check out 6 grand, 12 and 12, at 36,000 that. And if me pay them at 20,000, you that did it for install a ton of steel. And you know, reach ton of steel. See? We reach our work Tuesday. Tuesday night, me I left now, me tell them, it's alright, build up the boxing them. Then build 28 boxing. Me charge $1,000 a one for make boxing. So you know, so that at 28,000. That still couldn't pay 4 of them, you know. When me reach our work the Wednesday now, and me do all of the framing. The only thing they can just carry the boxing then come give me and cut up couple board. Still can't pay them. Thursday when we did it now, the sun hot. So I tell them, say, alright, here what? We are going to cook. And we are going to easy. And at 4 o'clock we are going to start cast. And we start cast 4 o'clock and we finish about 10:30 in the night. That's a Thursday night. And we tell them, say, alright, we are going to wake up early Friday morning now and put in some work until the sun get hot. Because the sun really hot. And me as a youth like this, me take things in consideration. Me not try to kill workers. Because where me only want somebody do to me, me not do it to others. And we start, we rise boy at 6:30 and sit now we start work 7 o'clock. And then now the water stop run, so we have 2 drum of water. And we work out the 2 drum of water and we done work 10 o'clock, 10:30 latest. Friday morning. And I pay the man them. Pay them for the whole Friday, you know. And I carry them home. I not draw nothing out of them money. And this morning now when me ready to go back to work now, the man him tell me say, boy, the 12 grand too little bit. And the labourer them tell me say the 6 grand too little bit. What do you want, brother? Tell him to talk this money up already. You see, if you don't want to roll out a construction work, you don't go do your work on yourself, because me and the type of man we are going to charge the people them more than we take for build their house. Alright, they say there. A scope of work me charge for. Scope of work. Me not just go and put hand on Kimbo and tell them say 5 million. No. Me measure up the work. And as me tell you before, it's not about where you are. Because anywhere you go at the same construction. Anywhere you go at the same construction. The only thing might different in a construction is the foundation. Because when you go there and the type of land and the terrain, that differentiates certain things. But for mix concrete, I same thing. For lay block, I same thing. For make farming, I same thing. For nail up farming, I same thing. Some of you know what you expect. But all I can tell you now, don't call back this man your phone. Because what happened today, now go happen again. Remember me telling you that. So, since I don't want to roll the money, and the wickedest thing, you know, the man them we are run down the money. Me a talk it big and bold on the app. So who want to see it and bex for them business? Because I rather you bex than me bex. Because I not bex again. Me can't left on up and work for do nothing. Because if me left on up and work, it not go do as how I want it to do. And yet still not run down money. I will not watch a next set of man where me can left for work. When me left a next set of man for work, you know, me can go on for the next location and make money, you know. So when me pay them a certain percentage, me go on for the next site. Go make up it back. But when me go to work, me have to do that with you know. So how comes me if you pay on a certain percentage? You wanna wise up and understand life, man. But you know go at me also, I go understand it somewhere else. Because me call a different crew. Me call a different crew today, and when the man asks me, the two labourer asks me, so how much a day, me general? And I say 5 grand. The man say, what? So when you say a morning? I say, yeah man. 5 grand, you know. I want to get 6. I want to say no enough. And then the man there get 5 grand and I find themselves for work. Man, they find themselves for work. Find themselves for work. And I call one trade man. I mean, the trade man negotiate price because here one out that the trade man when me call me can left him for work. With the two labourer. And work done we can pay the 3 of them and pay me. Me can't do that with you know. So no better wise up. I'm out.